Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Dropbox to Canva step by step clearly. To connect Dropbox to Canva, first, open your web browser and go to the Canva website. Log into your Canva account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the main dashboard. On the left sidebar, locate and click on the Apps option. In the Apps menu, search for Dropbox using the search bar. Click on the Dropbox icon when it appears in the search results. You will be prompted to connect your Dropbox account. Click on the Connect button to initiate the process. A pop-up window will appear, asking for permission to access your Dropbox files. Log into your Dropbox account if prompted, using your username and password. After successful login, click Allow to grant Canva access to your Dropbox. Once connected, you will see your Dropbox files available within Canva. To use a file from Dropbox, click on Uploads on the left sidebar. Select the Dropbox option to browse your linked files. Find the file you wish to use in your design and click on it to import it into Canva. Now you can edit and incorporate your Dropbox content directly into your Canva projects. Remember, you can repeat this process anytime you need to connect or update your files. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.